Hi guys, Jenny and I have a flow for you to do. If you're going to follow along with me, I'm going to be doing regressed and easier versions of the movements, so you'll need something like your mattress or a sofa or a chair to be able to prop your leg up onto. If you don't have any equipment, then you're okay just to follow along with Jenny. So we're going to get stuck in. We're going to go through each body part. We're going to start off with the upper back. We're going to pull our elbows back nice and tight. From here, we're going to twist to one side. Which side are we going to go to, Jenny? We're going to go to the left side first. So from here, we're going to take a big breath in and then breathe out and try and twist ourselves around further, trying to draw the elbow back. Then we swap sides. We go to the right now. Another big deep breath in. We try and breathe back and pull back. And then we go back to the left side again. Big breath in, breathe out. And then last one, turn around, big breath in. Big stretch in the ribs. And twist. Then shake it off. And then we're going to do the neck. So we're going to roll our shoulders up, back and down. First of all, we're going to tuck our chin back a little bit. So we're thinking about having a nice, good posture. From here, we're going to tilt our head to the left side. And then we're going to start to nod yes. We're going to go up and down for 4 times. So 1, 2. I can't see what Jenny's doing. She's maybe on 3, 3.
We're in perfect opposite movement.
Perfect opposites. 4, but I'm still winning. And then other side. Up and down.
There we go.
Really lovely. We should start a synchronized swimming team, Jenny. Just me and you.
I'm just doing neck stretch.
Just neck stretch. The same side, or other side, not the same side. Up and down. Really lovely. Really nice ones if you get tight traps, like Jenny does. Because Jenny does 1 million handstands every day.
Every day.
Every day. And then other side. Up and down. Breathing relaxed the whole time. Okay, so when you get your 4 done, shake everything off again, and then we're going to go into one of our favorite movements. If you ever forget what you're doing, just do hip circles. So we're going to do big hip circles. We're going to go around to the left first of all. So we're going anti-clockwise. Big circles. As much movement as you can. Lovely for the hips, lovely for the spine. Really lovely. And we're doing 10 of these, but I haven't been counting.
7.
7, 8, 9, and 10. And then we go for uncle clockwise. So go the other way. 10 again. There's 3. Oh, why yours looks more sassy than mine?
I just am more sassy.
That's 6.
8.
8. 7. And 10. Hip circles, great to get hips warmed up. Now we're going to go into an awesome movement called hip cars. So we're going to make nice circles with the hips. Jenny's going to go freestanding, so she's trying to work on the single leg balance as well. Use a wall or something that you can hold on to so you don't need to use your balance if you're following along with me. I'm going to use this post here, but you can just prop yourself up against the wall. We're going to go one leg at a time. So we're going to lift the leg up nice and high first. Then we're going to go out. We're going to internally rotate inwards, so bring that foot up, try and keep the knee up nice and high. Press back as if you were pushing something away behind you, and then bring that leg back down again. So that's 1, and then we do that in reverse. So we go out to the side and up, and then we externally rotate now. So we bring that foot around, and then we bring that foot across, and we'll count that as 2. And then we go back up again. This is nice flexion, nice and slow. Open up as far as you can. So try not to let your whole body go with you. You're trying to just open up from the hip. We internally rotate. We push back. Imagine we're pushing away a digger. I don't know why a digger, but we're pushing away one anyway. And then bring it back up and again in reverse. So up as high as we can. Abduct and then externally rotate. Bring that leg across. So it's adduct and then back down. So just moving the hip like a hip. Lovely, lovely movement. So I'm going to turn away. I've fallen it with Jenny now, and then I'm going to hold on with the other side. Same again, we go up as high as we can first, so flexion. We go out to the side, which is abduction. We internally rotate, we press back.
I can just see your butt slowly getting closer.
Push back, not too far, so don't overextend your back. And then back down. And then in reverse, we go up. We externally rotate. And bring it across the body again. And that's 2. Then we go up again, out, nice and slow, rotate, press back, bring it down, and final one, up, rotate, and across. And back down. Lovely. And then shake these off again. Now, if you follow along with me, I'm going to do the easier variation. Jenni's going to take you through a nice high bear crawl. This is for the whole back of us. So Jenni's going to explain you through the high bear crawl, and I'm just going to use my chair or box, whatever I'm using, to push my hips back. So I'm doing the back end stretch like this.
So on all fours, you're going to lift your bum nice and high, and we're just going to step alternating one hand, 1 foot at a time. 3, 4, and then backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, and again, just trying to keep the legs and the elbows straight, stretching the hamstrings, working the shoulders. 2, 3, 4. There we go, nice and easy.
Lovely. And I'm just giving it the sass. I feel like Rihanna.
Wow.
I don't know why.
Look like
That's the umbrella dance, isn't it?
I don't know.
I think it is.
Isn't it the single ladies dance?
Is it the single ladies dance?
I'm not
Could be. Let us know in the comments. So now we're going to go into deep lunge rotations. Jenni's on the floor. I'm going to use my box here. So I'm not going to be going as low as Jenni. I'm just going to be sending the hip out. So I'm very hip focused here. And we're going to go for 10 reps. So here, out, 1. Jenni's trying to get the elbow down each time as she goes. So lovely stretch for the inside of the leg here. 2.
If you're doing the floor variation, we're trying to keep the shin vertical or the knee behind the shin or behind the ankle rather than stealing ankle mobility. Trying to get it all in our hips. And a nice big twist at the top for a thoracic rotation bonus. Your back leg can be up or down. Just depends on what you're feeling today. If your back leg is off the floor, you'll feel a bit more stretch in your hip flexor. Add 10.
And 10.
Switch sides. Same again, nice vertical shin. Big twist. Even if your elbow doesn't get all the way down to the floor, just go wherever you can go and pause for a second before coming back up.
Awesome. And you can work on the elbow position on this regress version as well. You can still do the same twists. Try and bring the elbow down, but for today, we're just going to focus on the hip.
Keep your breathing nice and relaxed. Trying not to hold breath. We have a deep breath out as we come down. Almost there. And 10.
Awesome. And then we're going to finish up, getting nice and loose with some bounces. So I'm going to go for both feet with my bounces. Jenni's going to go for 10 on the left foot and then 10 on the right foot. So it's as if we're skipping, but we've got no rope. Okay, so are we ready to go?
Yep.
Ready to go. So let's bounce. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And relax. Shake it off. Big breath in. Big breath out. And big double bicep. And that's us finished. Hope you enjoyed, guys.